Ever seen an animal that thinks it runs the whole ranch? Watch this. This little dog walks around like he's the sheriff of the Wild West. He patrols the porch, arrests toys, and stares down the mailman like he's a wanted outlaw. Meanwhile, the cat beside him acts like every small problem is the end of the world. Together, they make the ranch look like a comedy movie nobody asked for, but everybody enjoys. Follow and subscribe for more wild Western animal stories.
Join the crew, subscribe.